Audio is Abhishek from Decofly. So what you are seeing me holding in my hand is a called Sri Yantra metal wall art. So guys, you can see how beautiful this looks. So actually guys, this is a perfect gifting option as well. This is used for worship, but this is also a perfect gifting option if you are bored with the regular gifts and all. So I will tell you this Sri Yantra benefits. So this benefit is like if you hang this at your wall, and you can worship this on daily basis. So it is believed it will bring prosperity and wealth to your house from the God's blessing. You can even Google the benefits of Sri Yantra. You will come to know this has a very importance in our Indian culture and history. So this I will tell you some specifications of this product as well. So this is a 24 by 24 inches. This is a large size made of 1.6 mm thickness steel. As you can hear, it's so durable, and this is golden metallic finish color, and it is very easy to hang. I will show you the back side. We have provided the hook over here, and you have to just fix a nail at your wall, something like this. This will be also given inside the package, and you can simply hang it. See guys, how easy is this to install. And these are all the supporting screws. You can see this is not fixed. These are all the supporting screws. So it is very good gifting option as well. And you can see the distance from the wall to the wall art is around 2 cm, which will give you a shadow effect. So if you directly fix this now, it will not give you a shadow effect, because of which we have provided these all screws. So you will get a shadow effect and it will look so premium. And its quality of the color also, you can see this is a powder coated material. More than 10 years the quality will last. This is not a regular spray painted items and all. So I hope you like this product guys, and this is the export quality product. So definitely no issues with the quality, 100% satisfaction is guaranteed. So thank you for this video guys. You can definitely try this. Thank you.